I'm in Forest Creek. Right over there is hole number 2 and number 8 of the Forest Creek Golf Course. And we're at 2114 Hilton Head. And this is a fantastic executive home here in this community. I'm going to give you an idea of what kind of people's street scene you see. A lot of executive homes. A lot of people work for Dell in this neighborhood. Kind of walk around here. Let's go inside and check it out. A nice 2-car garage walking through. Alright, let's go on inside. Oh, I like the travertine. No wainscoting. Looks really nice. Very formal areas along with some family space. Nice tall entryway here in foyer. That's beautiful. Like the paint job. Okay, let's go on here. This is more of a formal dining space, again with the nice high-end wainscoting. It's very tasteful. Coming to a very cute kitchen. Nice granite. That's St. Cecilia granite, I believe. Little eating space here. Family room with the TV above the fireplace. Nice. That's actually a pretty functional design. Have your storage over there, your pantry. Coming downstairs, we have another full bath with the granite. A bedroom downstairs. And a little washroom area too. 2-car garage right through there. Great storage with a little secret storage spot. Walks outside to a very private backyard. A nice deck. Super cute. Okay. Going back in. Let's see here. Okay, let's go on upstairs here in this home on Hilton Head. I love this foyer, nice and tall ceilings. There's going to be 3 bedrooms, including the master suite that's up here, plus a bonus room. Master suite, 2 bedrooms, a full bath. Of course, there's a fantastic master bath area here. I'll go ahead and walk into the bonus room with another half bath. I'll kind of go through over here. Let's go into the master. Beautiful master. Nice big wall for a California king. Okay, jetted tub, standalone shower, granite countertops. Fantastic closet. Wife-approved closet for sure. Okay, let's go on over here. Okay, we have a little storage nook. Okay, bedroom number 2. Okay, bathroom number 2. And bedroom number 4. This is because there's one downstairs as well.